good po for the economy which we can amplify. This move shows the government's confidence in the Philippine economy, opening doors to long-term foreign investment while keeping land ownership firmly Filipino. Yan nga po yung sinasabi ko na dapat wala namang magmamay-ari ng lupain natin, no, sa mga Pilipino pa rin, no. By allowing 99-year leases, we attract capital, jobs, and development without selling our sovereignty. 99-year lease policy is about growth, not giveaways. More foreign investment means more jobs, stronger industries. Yan nga. Syempre, pag maraming nahikayat, di ba? Kasi sa ibang bansa po, sa Vietnam, sa Singapore, may mga ganyan na rin po silang polisiya. So, dapat hindi tayo nagpapahuli, di ba? Tama ba? Tama ba? Ayan, shout out Viola G. Yan, shout out JJ Bar.